Hey guys, it's Miss Osborne. I just wanted to walk you through how to create one of your tic-tac-toe boxes. It's the one where you will create a concept map using these terms. So you may want to go back and review your notes over biomes and what they are and what they each hold. Okay, so each biome is made up of different things, so you may want to go back and review those things and see how they all relate with these specific terms before we get started, okay? So a concept map is taking an overall term or idea and kind of breaking it down and seeing how you can relate all of these terms or concepts together. Okay, so before you watch this video, I want you to go back and look at the what is a concept map video, and he does a great job talking about what a concept map is and even how to create one. So, excuse me, so what I would like you to do is go back and watch that. You don't have to watch the whole thing. I'll put the timestamps of what you need to watch or what would be valuable to you, and then you can come and do this, okay? So on a concept map, I wanted to show you that this isn't exactly how you have to do it. So what you can do is you can actually modify what I've already given you here. So you can start out with one big concept here, and I think a good idea would be, yep, you guessed it, biomes would be our concept that would go in this circle. And you can split it up into three different things, three different items, or you can do two or one. It's completely up to you. Okay, so you just have to use all the terms. Okay, so I wanted to show you how you can kind of manipulate this concept map and create your own instead of just using it exactly as it is. Okay, so I want you to make it your own. So what you can do is if you click on one of these shapes, one of the arrows, you can do a few things to it. So we can make it smaller by dragging it. Okay, we can make it thinner, and we can turn it. Okay, we can rotate it using this button right here. All right, so what you want to do is with these arrows is not only point to the concept that you're referring to, but you also want to talk about how it's related. Okay, so you can double click in this and you may put related by, okay, in here, or you may want to say biomes are found, let me spell it right, F-O, found in this, or you may say, let's see, they're found in consist of. Okay, so there are a bunch of different things that you can include in these arrows, okay, and then you would type the next concept that you think relates by connecting your arrow to the previous concept. So if you have biomes here, how is that related to this next concept? Okay, maybe it has something, maybe it involves something else. Okay, maybe it's broken down by this. Okay, so you decide. All right, like I said, you can start off with two arrows. All right, and then you may have two arrows from this one, two arrows from this one, and you may have four circles up here, and then you may just have then you may just have an arrow for each. Okay, does that make sense? All right. Okay, so you may even do it like that. All right, you can do it however you'd like, as long as, like I said, you include all of these words. Okay,